Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, August the 26th. I've got, 9:49? 73 degrees. Figured I'd just kick the camera on over here and as I'm going by, see what's left of what's going on. That's the old realty company, pretty well backfilled. They don't seem to be doing any work here today. Go down on the 5th and see how far they're getting the building down there. They got cones out on the road now. Okay. I'll go around to the other side and sit over there for a while, see what might be going on. Now we get the long red light. Yeah, we'll pause it until I get across the street. Well, they're not running a track hoe at the moment, but that's how far into the building they are. It is, 9:54 in the morning? 73 degrees. I'm gonna get pulled a long way into a parking spot here. And I'll stay around for a while. If anything happens, I'll video it. I'm parked, but from where I was, I could see further into where they tore the building out. And they've got orange cones over on 5th Avenue there. I'm not seeing any people yet. I don't know if they're here or not. No one's in the track hoe. And I can't tell if there's anyone. Well, the one pickup door's open, so somebody's here. Yeah.